Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we are going to talk about how to keep starlings away from your attic. This video will take you through reliable and humane ways to protect you from this particular bird species, which is often a real nuisance to you, your property, and other birds. So stick around for the best guide. First, seal potential entry points within your home. These birds may reach your attic by exploiting available entry points such as chimneys, broken vents, loose siding, and gaps in the roofing. Therefore, check for any potential openings that the starlings may be using and seal them if their width extends more than 1 inch. You can block access to these small openings using metal flashing, a mesh, or hardware cloth. Furthermore, make sure that you close or screen attic windows. Limit food sources around your home. Bird food and insects, such as grasshoppers and caterpillars, are familiar food sources that may attract starlings to your property and attic. Still, fruits like berries may also attract these birds to your home. First, always keep bird feeders at a reasonable distance from your house. Also, tightly seal your trash, place nets over your yard's berry bushes, and cover your bird feeders with chicken wire if you do not want to remove them. Ensure your yard is always clean and has no spilled food, and that outdoor insect infestations are treated promptly. Eliminate other potential nesting grounds. If you have trees within your home, including fruit trees, you should cover them so that starlings do not use them for nesting. You can enclose the trees using plastic or nylon netting and uncover them once the birds move to other places. Still, you can prevent starlings from nesting in your attic by attaching netting below rafters or ensuring you prune your trees. Clearing twigs, branches, and leaves is essential, as the birds are likely to feel uncomfortable in exposed areas and susceptible to potential predators. Seek professional assistance. You can always hire a professional to help you keep starlings away from your attic and property, especially if you want to save time and effort. So, there you have it. Starlings can be annoying, especially when they cause havoc in the attic and make scratching, whistling, or clicking noises. However, you can deal with these birds effectively and humanely. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.